Hi, it's Steve from Devil Dog Gaming. I've got a print to put on the Emake Galaxy 1. I'm just going to quickly go through some of the settings. I've not been able to film out the back here for a couple of weeks because I've had builders in. So I'm going to quickly go through some of the settings. When you slice the files, the typical things that you get from a resin printer, such as burn-in layers and layer exposure times, aren't relevant. You simply go into here. What we're looking at here is scan times. That is the number of times the laser will make a pass on the part of the file to cure it. 3 is the number of passes on the specific resin that's intended to be used on this machine. If you're using your regular resins such as Elegoo, Anycubics, so on, that scan time goes up to 5. Just going to quickly show you the settings that we've got on here that work. I'm not going to go through them and what they do. So you can hear the sound of the printer at the moment. It's not particularly loud. Most of that noise is actually the heater getting up to temperature. As we start, I'm going to go round to the side, try and get a decent shot here, and I'm going to turn on the automatic refill. So you can hear that pumping now. That is pumping resin into the vat. The first time we used this printer, we put 3 litres of resin in the vat, and it went right up to the top when the plate came down, and that concerns me. So I've only put 2 litres in now. As you can see, the top-up function is already working. To put the print on, it's as simple as any printer. Print control. This is the file that we're printing. Confirm. And that's it. We just wait. On here, I'm not going to wait for the 2 or 3 minutes for it to show up, but you'll have your printing layer count, current layer count. Obviously, printing layer count is the amount of layers that you're going to be doing. Current is what you have done. There will also be a timer on there to show how long you've been printing. One of the things I did forget to mention is that you do get your handy little screen that shows you the current layer that's printing, same as you do on pretty much any resin printer. That concludes this video, and I hope you are now more informed as to how the Emake Galaxy 1 works.